Yeah, welcome back, guys. So this prop firm, SFX funded, they are currently giving out free funded accounts and also evaluation accounts and also some benefits on the platform, like a lot of discounts, right? Just for you to just if you are able to complete some of the tasks on their platform. So basically, what you need to do for you to get these free accounts, right? It's just for you to sign up on this program. The link is going to be in the description of this video, and it's totally for free. So once you sign up, then you fill in your details, then you log into your dashboard. Then the next thing you want to do for you to get these accounts, for you to come over to the reward section over here. It's going to lead you over to this area, all right, where you will see total points, reward claimed. As you can see, I just signed up after seeing some traders, getting free funded accounts from them, and I also did some research and found out that they actually pay. All right, so after all, this is just a give, more like a giveaway. So you're not buying anything; you just complete some of the task, and you get your account. So this is the total amount of points that you can claim performing um lot of tasks that we have here. So once you go to the reward section, you go to task. This is where you're going to see um a lot of tasks that you can do in order for you to claim certain points. So for example, in this let's look at some of them. All right, so you can go to profile match, for example. Um if you vote them as your favorite profile, or you add them to your list of your favorite profile on profile match, right? Then you get 4 points. Then if you follow them on Twitter, that is on X, and also tag their CEO and stuff like that, the general stuff, just screenshots, then you upload it here. I think I did a video, a similar video of something like this before, so you already know what to do. So once you just um partake in carry out some of this task, then you just need to upload your screenshots and wait for it to be confirmed. Now once it is confirmed, then you get credited with your points over here. Now with those points, I'm going to show you some of our accounts that you can claim with those points, but I just want to show you some of the tasks that might give you bigger points. Some of them you will need to buy accounts to get bigger points, but there are bigger points that you can actually get without buying accounts. So I'm just going to show you some of them now. um for example, this one, okay, this 20 points. You join a trading competition, you get 20 points. Then there's some, for example, if you have a YouTube channel like mine, you can make a YouTube video about it, like the one I'm making right now, then you get 300 points. So these kinds of tasks can give you higher points. You don't necessarily need to be a YouTube that has a lot of followers, right? You just have to, even if it's just 500 subscribers, you can actually make a video, just reviewing the sites and stuff like that. Then you can post the screenshots, all right? Maybe add the link into the additional detail over here, then you get those 300 points. Then another one that can also fetch you is this one over here. You can retweet some of their posts. So the more you complete some of these tasks over here, you also get to increase the total points you're going to earn. Now, if you head over to the rewards, this is where you see where you can actually spend the points that you make, or on what benefits you can, or what you can claim with those points. So if you scroll down a little bit down over here, this is where you're going to see the free instant 5k account. So what you need, amount of points you need for this free instant 5k account is 950 points. So once you are able to do some task over there, you should be able to accumulate 950 points. Then you can now come and claim the free 5k account. As you can see, it's showing insufficient here. Why? Because I have not really done any task yet, so that's why it's showing you sufficient points. But once you have enough points, you can come and claim. Now the good and the bad, the reason I always urge people to, if you actually want to claim this, to do it while the very moment you see this video, is that sometimes they tend to increase these points, all right, when a lot of people are not getting. So since it is still very fresh, I think they just started this, I think a week ago, or I don't know, I think, yeah, I think just last week. So this point might actually go up time. Maybe like next week now, you might come and you start to see like 1,100 or even 1,500 points for you to be able to claim the 5K account. Or you might even see out of stock, but right now it's still pretty much available, so you can do that. Then if you somehow you're able to get 2,100 points, then you can also claim a free instant 20K account. So we also have other instant account, but other ones still require higher points. So the higher accounts requires higher points. So um, now there's another one over here that's actually a free two-step 7.5K account. That is 7,500 two-step account. Now this is actually very cool because most of these giveaway normally give you three-step, but this is a two-step, and I believe and I hope this is going to be an empty five accounts as well. So once you are able to get 600 points, you should be able to claim this one. Um, uh, so those are the ones that you can claim below 1,000 points. So yeah, you can just go through. There are still other things you can also claim. There are also accounts you can also claim with different amounts of points. So guys, if you're seeing this video, maybe you might want to check them out. Just check the link below this video. Then you sign up for free. Then head over to reward page and see one or two tasks that you can carry out so that you can meet up a point. Maybe claim a free 5K account or a free two-step 7,500 challenge account. So yeah. So guys, let's see how it goes, guys. If you've gotten yours, maybe you perform your task and you got yours down. So let me know in the comment section. All right. Take care, guys, and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.